Good evening friends. Today again I am back in the topic of the operational research, and in this bit of lecture I am going to explain you of part of unit of PERT and CPM, that is crashing. Okay, so without wasting our time we will solve one numerical of the textbook. So let's start. So this is a numerical of the textbook. Okay, he is saying here the following table gives the activities and other relevant data of a project. Okay, he had given activity, time he had given in two form, normal form and crash form. Further he had given cost also in two form, normal form and crash form. Okay, further he is saying to find that if indirect cost per day for project is rupees 100. Okay, indirect cost also they had given, and we need to find, draw the network diagram. Okay, find the normal duration and the cost of the project. Further we need to find the optimum duration and cost, and next crash the number of days to the maximum possible extent. Okay, so let's start solving this. First you make in a column. First you make in a 7 column. Sorry 5 6 column you make it. Okay, this first column 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. You make a 6 column here. Okay, in the first column you write activity. Okay, in the second column you write crash cost. Okay, right, crash cost denoted by CC. Okay, in the next column you write normal cost. Okay, normal cost denoted by NC. Okay, in the next column you write normal time. Okay, normal time denoted by ND. Okay, next column you write crash time. Okay, crash time you write it here denoted by CD. Okay, and here it is your slope. Okay, what is that slope? I will say you further. Write all the relevant data from the question. As I made in a format that first crash cost, normal cost, further normal time and crash time, go in this procedure only so that you can easily find the slope. Okay, so write the activity 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 4, 2 to 5 and 4 to 5. Okay, write the crash cost. Crash cost is 180, 500, 120, 500, 200, 350 and 480. Normal cost you are having 120, 300, 60, 300, 200, 230, 200. Okay, normal time you are having 4, 6, 2, 5, 2, 7, 4. Crash time you are having 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 5 and 2. Okay, for the slope, you are having one formula. Write it here. Slope is given by crash cost minus normal cost. Crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal time, normal duration minus crash duration, that is ND minus CD. Okay, first we need to find the slope values. Okay, so for first activity 1 to 2, you are having crash cost as 180 minus normal cost 120, normal duration 4 minus crash duration, that is 3. See, in a sequence I made it so that I can easily put in a format of the slope. Okay, so I can easily get the answer. Here you are going to get 60. Write it here 60. Okay, same for the 1 to 4th activity. 500 minus 300. Okay, 500 minus 300. Okay, that is crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal duration minus crash duration, that is 6 minus 4. So 6 minus 4, you are going to get 200 divided by 2. Okay, this is 6, you are going to get 100. Okay, here you write 100. Okay, all the values put in this format. Okay, and get the slope. I am writing here directly, that is 60. Here you will get 100, here you will get 0, here you will get 60, and here you will get, we are going to get 140. Okay, after completion of this activity, you have to make in a network diagram. Okay, so drawing a network diagram, here network diagram. From the question you have write the, draw the network diagram. Okay, they are given the activity. From the activity column you have to make the network diagram. First activity 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2. Okay, further 1 to 4, 1 to 4, further it is 1 to 3. After doing number of practice, now you can easily draw the network diagram. Okay, this over. Further 2 to 4, 2 to 4. Okay, give the arrow sign also. Okay, 2 to 4 is over. Now 3 to 4, 3 to 4 again here. Okay, further 2 to 5 and 4 to 5. Okay, that is my end activity, 2 to 5. Okay, further 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Okay, for the each duration of the activity, here you have to write normal time and crash time, you have to write here. Okay, so for 1 to 2 activity you have to write normal time also and crash time also. Okay, right here outside of bracket 4 and inside of bracket 3. That is, outside of bracket you have to write the normal time, and inside of the bracket you have to write the crash time for each activity. Okay, same thing for 1 to 4 activity. 6 is your normal time, and in bracket write the crash time, that is 4. Okay, same thing for 1 to 3 activity. Normal time outside, and inside that is crash time, that is 1. Okay, same thing in a 2 to 4th activity. 2 to 4th activity, 5 is normal time outside. Okay, and inside you have write crash time, that is 3. Okay, same thing now for 3 to 4, 3 to 4. Okay, 2 and 2 it is there, 2 2. Okay, further 2 to 5. For 2 to 5 activity I am having 7 and 5. 7 outside, 5 inside of the bracket. For the 4 to 5, 4 outside, 2 inside of the bracket. Okay, this completes your network diagram. Further you have to make what is the possible path. Okay, right here possible path. Okay, what are all those possible path to start from 1 and to get endpoint 5. Okay, what are all those possible path? You have to write it here. Okay, the first one 1 to 2, 2 to 5. Okay, first one 1 to 2 and 2 to 5. Okay, this possible path. And next possible path is 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 5. Second 1 to 2, 2 to 4 to 5. Third one you are having 1 to 4, 4 to 5. 1 to 4, 4 to 5. Okay, another path you are having 1 3 4 5. Fourth one 1 3 4 5. Okay, here you have to write normal time. Okay, and at last after leaving some space right here crash time. Okay, because here you do crashing now. So 1 to 2 to 5 activity, what is the normal time? Means that you have to count in a value, count in a sum of outside of the bracket, that is 4 and 7, that is 11. Okay, now bracket value 3 to 5, that is 8. Okay, for the next path 1 2 to 4 to 5, which is the normal time 4 5 9 9 4 13, that is normal time. Okay, what is the crash time? of the that is of bracket values 336 6 to 8 value. Okay, same thing for 145 path, you're having crash normal time 6 4 10. Okay, normal time you're having, crash time you're having 4 to 6. Okay, same thing for 1 3 4 5 fifth activity, you're having normal time 2 to 4 4 8. Okay, normal crash time you're having 2 1 3 to 5. Okay, now you have to write, now you have to circle the maximum value from the normal time. Maximum value is 13. Okay, and here in the critical time also you having maximum value 8. Okay, now moving to the next step. In that you have to make one column, that is important. Okay, now we are going to start the crashing after 13. Okay, till 8 we have to crash the values. Okay, so this your, in this you write days or week that is given in the question as a time, in the time that given in the format of days. So write here days. Okay, days, you have to start crashing from 13th, from 13th. Okay, so right here starting, you have to start from 13, you have to go till 8. So at 13 12 11 10 9 and 8. Okay, here it is direct cost value, one column, second column, here it is direct cost. Okay, direct cost DC. Okay, here it write normal cost, normal cost. This normal cost will be sum of the normal cost present in the question. Okay, this normal cost you have to sum this value. Okay, you have to sum it, you are going to get 1410. Okay, so you have to write it here, sum of all these value here now in the normal cost, that is 1410. This 1410 you have to write here in all this column, you have to write same thing, 1410 1410 1410 1410, here also 1410. Okay, and second column, third column is crashing. Okay, crashing cost, crashing cost. In the first row you have to make the dash sign, because you have to start after this crashing. In the day of the 13 you can't start the crashing, after this only you have to start the crashing, so that's why we are writing here dash sign. Okay, and here it is total. Okay, and it is indirect cost. Indirect cost, in the question they will mention that indirect cost is there or not. See, in this question they had mentioned, here mentioned that indirect cost per day of rupees 100. Okay, per day, that is 100 rupees per day. Okay, so it is your 13th day. Okay, so what it will be, you have to multiply here 13 into 100. Okay, directly you just multiply with days, that is 1300. Again same thing here, you have to multiply by 12. So 12, we are going to get 12 into 100 is 1200. Okay, same thing here, 11 into 100, that is 1100. Same thing here, 1000. Same thing here, 900, and it is same 800 here. Okay, after this you have to start the crashing. Here to write total cost, total cost, that is direct cost plus indirect cost. This is indirect cost. Okay, now you have to start the crashing. How I am moving, how I am going for the step, go in that format only, you will be easily solving each and every numerical of the crashing. Okay, now you have to start the crashing. Okay, crashing. Okay, first one, for crashing, first you have to see in a possible path. Okay, first check the possible path which is our critical path, which is having maximum normal time. You have to check that. Since this activity 1 to 2, 2 to 4 to 5 is having maximum time, so it is my critical path here. Okay, so you have to start the crashing from the critical path only. So right here possible path, that is 1 to 2 to 4 to 5. Okay, okay, now which are all those, these all the activity here, 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 5. Okay, from the first table you have to check which is having in a minimum slope. For 1 to 2, 1 to 2 here, 2 to 4, 2 to 4 and 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Now within these three which is having minimum slope, you have to start for crashing from that activity. So 1 to 2, okay, 1 to 2 you are having 60 slope, 2 to 4 you are having 100 and 4 to 5 you are having 140. So minimum is 60. You have to start crashing from the activity 1 to 2. Okay, so draw one line here, okay, in the below of the 1 to 2 activity, and give one downward arrow. Write it here 60 value, that is slope value. Okay, slope value you have to write it here. As you write here slope value, you have to move to the previous table that you have made. Okay, this is table that I have made before this. Okay, and here in the 12th day I have to write this value 60 here. Okay, now as you write it here, you have to move to the possible path step of the possible path. Okay, this is my possible path. Okay, now I have to crash the value which is having in a 1 to 2 activity. This is having 1 to 2 activity and this is also having 1 to 2 activity. You have to start one, you have to crash one day within of these two activity. Since you are having 11 day, you have to crash it here. One day you will get 10. Okay, here also you are having 1 to 2 activity, you have to crash it here, you are going to get 12. Okay, as you did completed here crashing, you have to go to the network diagram. In network diagram you have to crash the value time. Okay, you have to crash the normal time. So for 1 to 2 activity, okay, 1 to 2 activity I have to crash one day, so that is 4, it will become 3. Okay, 1 to 2 activity I have to crash, I did crashing. When the normal time and crashing time becomes equal, then you have to crash that activity only. Okay, now I can't crash this now further. Okay, this completes first step of the crashing. Now in the next step of the crashing, that is second crashing. Okay, again you have to check the possible path. Go for the possible path step and check which is having a maximum time here again. Okay, again if you'll see, in this activity 1 to 2, 4 to 5 is having maximum time. Okay, again you have to start crashing from here only, that is 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 5. Again you have to check which all these three activity 1 to 2, 2 to 4 or 4 to 5 is having in a minimum value. Okay, so from the first table you have to check that 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 5. 1 to 2 is 60, 2 to 4 is 100 and 4 to 5 is 140. Since you have crashed in a path 1 to 2, okay, since you have crashed in a path 1 to 2, now there is no work of 1 to 2 activity. Now you can't crash, so you have to check from 2 to 4 or 4 to 5 value. Okay, 2 to 4 or 4 to 5 activity which is having minimum value. 2 to 4 and 4 to 5 which is having minimum value. 2 to 4 is having 100 and 4 to 5 is having 140. So now you are going to crash in a path 2 to 4 which is having a minimum value of 100. Okay, 2 to 4, okay, you are going to crash now. Right below, draw one line here. Okay, and below you write 100. Okay, and what the value you got previous, you have to write it here, add it, that is 16. You got total sum of 160. Okay, as you written here 160, you have to go to the previous table. Okay, and in the 11th day, okay, you have to write here 160. Okay, as you complete here, you have to go to the possible path step. This is my possible path. Now I have to crash the value 2 to 4th activity. Okay, this is my 2 to 4th activity. I have to crash here. Okay, and it will become 11th day, and further there is no 2 to 4. Okay, now again I have to move to the network diagram. and I have to crash the activity 2 to 4. Okay, 2 to 4 I have to crash. You will have to crash one day, that is it will become 4. Okay, also you seen in the network diagram, in the crash time and normal time. Okay, normal time and crash time of the activity 3 to 4 is same. You can easily crack it here. Okay, it will also not take in further crashing. Okay, as you complete here crashing, okay, now it's over. Now again you have to move to the next crashing. Okay, third crashing. In the third crashing, again you have to check, go for the possible path. Okay, step, and you have to check which is having the maximum value path. Again same thing, 1 to 2, 4 to 5 is having maximum time. You have to start, you have to again crash here only, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, to 4 to 5. Okay, again you have to check which is having minimum value. Again I can't see 1 to 2 because I have already crashed it. Okay, further crashing it is not allowed here. Okay, so which is having minimum value further, if you'll see, you're having minimum value 2 to 4, which is 100. Okay, so draw one horizontal line here. Okay, and below you write 100 value. Okay, further whatever you got in a value previous, you write it, add it here. So it is 160, you got value as a 260. Okay, as you got here 260, go to the previous table, and in the 10th day you have to write here 260 value. Okay, as you written here 260, move to the possible path. Move to the possible path which I had crashed, 2 to 4th activity. So 2 to 4th activity I have to crash here, it will become 10. Okay, as you did crashing here, move to the network diagram, and here you have to crash 2 to 4th activity. Again it will become, it was 4, I have to crash it here one day, it will become 3. Okay, as the crashing time and normal time become equal same, you have to crash the whole activity only. Okay, as you completed here, again move to the possible path for the fourth crashing. Now which is having critical path. Now if you will see in these three activity, okay, 1 to 5, 1 to 4 5, 1 4 5, all these three is having in the same equal time. Okay, so now you at a time you have to crash all these three activity. Okay, how to crash it, you see here. Okay, right, in all these three activity, this 1 to 2 to 5. Okay, next write 1 to 4 5 after leaving some space, and further write 1 4 5. Okay, now from these path, which are all the possible path, you have to write it here. After leaving some space, right here 1 to 2, 2 to 5. These two are the possible path. Okay, for this activity, which are all the possible path, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 5. Okay, in this activity you are having possible path 1 to 4 and 4 to 5. Okay, whichever activity I have crashed, okay, I have to cancel this activity here. 1 to 2 I have crashed. Okay, so you have to cancel it here. Okay, further I have crashed 2 to 4th activity. 2 to 4th activity I have to cancel it here. Okay, further 3 to 4. 3 to 4 is not there. Okay, now you have to write here in a possible combination. Okay, combination means that 2 to 5 activity, 4 to 5 activity, and 1 to 4th activity. This one combination. Okay, second combination is what? 2 to 5, 4 to 5. Okay, and further, okay, only one 4 to 5. Okay, these are the two possible combination. Okay, now you have to find the time here. Go for the first table and write here for the 2 to 5th activity. 2 to 5th activity, what is the minimum slope? That is 60. Okay, write here 60 plus 4 to 5. 4 to 5, that is 140. Add here 140 plus 1 to 4th activity, you are having slope as 100. Write here 100. Okay, you are going to get, you sum it, you will get 300. Okay, again for this path. Okay, 2 to 5 and 4 to 5. 2 to 5 and 4 to 5, you are having value 60 plus 140, you are going to get 200. Okay, whichever this value is minimum, you have to crash that period now. Okay, so 225 and 425 I have to crash it because it is having minimum value. Okay, so draw the line 225 here, here also 225 and 425 here also, you right, draw the line here also, you draw the line, you have to going to crash these three. Okay, and you join it, and in this draw the one vertical downward arrow line and write here 200 value. Okay, and further whatever you got in a previous value you have to add here, that is 260. Okay, you are going to get 460 here now. Okay, move to the previous table, and right here what you got, 460, write it here 460. Okay, again move to the previous, that is possible path step, and you have to crash it here now, one day of 2 to 5 activity. Okay, since I have to crash this, okay, 2 to 5 activity, so 2 to 5 activity is present here, 5% here, you have to crash one day, that is 9, it will become again 4 to 5 I am having 4 to 5 I have to crash it here, it will become again here 9. Okay, again you are having 4 to 5 activity, again you have to crash it here till 9. Okay, no need to crash this activity because you are having minimum time here 8 only. Okay, you're not going to crash in this period, better if you cancel it, then it's okay only. Okay, this completes. Now further again you have to move to network diagram. Move to the network diagram and you have to crash the further activity, whatever I have to crash it. I have to crash here 2 to 5 activity, 2 to 5th activity I have crashed, so 2 to 5th I have to crash one day, that is 6th, it will become 6. Again I have to crash 4 to 5 activity, again here I have to crash, it will become 3. Okay, now since we have to crash till 8th day, okay, so one more step will go. So again 5th, we did the crashing till 5th, again one more step you have to go. Okay, that is 5th crashing, this is last step of the crashing. Okay, here directly it will come, no need to write all these activity. 1 to 5, okay, 1 to 4 to 5, okay, 1 to 4 to 5. Okay, write the possible path 1 2 2 5, 1 2 2 4 4 5, okay, 1 4 4 5. Cancel the other activity which you have cancelled in the previous 2 4. Okay, again directly here write, since you are going to get same thing only, you haven't crashed the activity, directly you write here 2 to 5 and 4 to 5 value, you're going to get as a 60 plus 140 equal to 200. Okay, again you have to crash the same activity, that is 2 to 5, draw horizontal line, and 4 to 5, here it is also present 4 to 5, here also present 4 to 5. Okay, so you write here 200. Okay, plus what you got in the previous crashing. In your previous crashing you got 460 value, in your fourth crashing you got 460 value, you have to write it here 460, so total you are going to get 660 value. Okay, now write this 660 value in the previous table. Now crashing is my completed, right here 660. Okay, again move crash it here in the network diagram, right here crashing is my over. Now little bit solution I have to make, right here 2 to 5 activity at crash na, it will become 5, and I have crashed 4 to 5 activity, that will become 2. Okay, so this is over crashing. Okay, now I have to find in a solution. Now you add this value. Okay, now add this value, you are going to get 1470. Okay, you add this value again, you are going to get 1410 plus 160, okay, 1570. Again you add it here, 1410 plus 260, you are going to get 1670. Okay, again you add here 1410 plus 460, you are going to get 1870. Again same thing, 1410 plus 660, you're going to get 2070. Okay, again you have to add this value. Sorry, here you write 1410. Okay, because if you add this value you're going to get 1410. Okay, now you have to write in this column direct cost plus indirect cost. Okay, that in the first column, first row you are having direct cost 1410 plus indirect cost you are having 1300. You are going to get 2710. Okay, in the next row you are having direct cost 1470 plus indirect cost 1200. You are going to get 2670. Okay, in the third row you are having 1570 plus 1100. You are going to get 2670. Okay, in the next row you are having direct cost 1670 plus 1000. You are going to get 2670. In the next row you are having 1870 plus 900. You are going to get 2770. Okay, in the last you are having 2070 plus 800. You are going to get 2870. Okay, now analyze this. Analyze in a total cost. See, it is decreasing here, decreasing. Okay, last it has decreased here. Okay, further it is going to increase. Okay, you have to see here, analyze it here. Okay, so you have write this. Okay, now go for the solution. First write the normal duration. Okay, normal duration, that is maximum one. Okay, initial one, that is 13 days. And normal cost, what is the normal cost that you got here? Right here, normal cost is 2710. Okay, further where it is at last, where it is further, where it is going to increase. Okay, after this period it is going to increase, so this will be your optimum cost. Okay, so second, optimum cost. First write optimum duration. You got the optimum duration in 10 days, right here 10 days. Okay, further write optimum cost, that is 2670. Further, minimum duration, what till what we can crash it. So minimum duration is 8. Minimum duration is 8 days. And minimum cost you are going to get 2870. Now see in the question what they had asked. Okay, draw the network diagram, we had did. Okay, find the normal duration and cost of the project, we had completed. Okay, find the optimum duration of and cost, we did. And crash the number of days to maximum possible extent. Okay, all we did. Okay, follow this procedure and you can easily solve any kind of problem based on the crashing period. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.